and welcome to Moves Like Jaguar. Over time, dirt can accumulate between the glass and the seal of your rear quarter windows. In this video I will show you how to remove the glass to enable it to be properly cleaned. Pull out the rubber trim from the interior panel, just enough to expose the bolt you will need to remove. Here I used an 8mm spanner to remove the bolt. Holding both sides of the glass, pull firmly towards the front of the car, making sure it clears the rubber seals you moved earlier. Refitting is the reverse of the removal procedure, ensuring the white locating peg slots into the hole into the body. Make sure the bracket is in the same position from where it was removed, and refit the rubber trim. Thank you very much for watching. Please check out my other videos and subscribe if you haven't already.